Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Simon. I'm going to be doing a review on this Samsung refrigerator right here, model number RF28R7351. It's a great refrigerator, 28 cubic feet, fingerprint resistant stainless steel as well. Just a quick wipe of a cloth will get rid of all those smudges and get your fridge looking nice and clean again. So we're going to take a look at some of the features that the refrigerator has. First, we're going to start off with the showcase door, which is right here. There's a button at the back of the handle that you will press, and then you can open this up. Quick access to anything that you need that you grab on the daily, like, you know, milk or soda or whatever it is. You can put that up in there. Butter and all kinds of things can go up here as well. We do have metal cooling on the inside of this thing as well, which will just keep the whole unit nice and cool throughout. Ice maker does come with crushed ice and water and regular ice too. Looking on the inside, we have this big old LED light up here, so it kind of gives everything a great view of everything that is in the refrigerator. You can see all the way back. We've got collapsible shelves, all the shelves you can move up, move down, extra room here. You have your humidity control drawers here as well. You also have a water filter in here that goes right there. And then on the inside right here, this is how we control the flex zone drawer. You hold that down for about 3 seconds. No, hold it down, it'll adjust it for you. Now the flex zone drawer is super cool. You just unloosen this and you can really adjust. You have the whole space, or you can separate it, or you can kind of put it wherever you need to put it, and put different things in each compartment there as well. The whole tray does come out. So if you have a spill or anything, or any issues, you can pull the tray up, wipe it down. Now it does have this really cool feature here where it will auto-fill this pitcher of water, of filtered water for you as well, which I think is super nice. Looking in the freezer, super standard. Got an additional drawer here. There's about 6 cubic feet of space in the freezer down below as well. We do have the metal cooling function at the back here, which will stop the refrigerator from over cooling or spoiling any produce that you have in there as well. There are so many more things on this refrigerator, guys, that you can take a look at on our website, appliancefactory.com. We're selling this right now for the price of $23.99, which is an excellent price for a 28 cubic foot brand new refrigerator. Yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope you have a good one. Bye now.